New lines not running smoothly during trials, uneven coatings, color shifts, jams on the conveyor, and you start wondering, did I buy the wrong equipment? Hold on. Every new line needs a break-in period, but these 4 areas deserve extra attention. Pre-treatment. Fresh bath chemistry tends to fluctuate. Run a few test panels through first. Do a crosshatch test directly on the pre-treated surface to check conversion coating adhesion, or test after full curing if you prefer. Either way, don't run production parts until you've confirmed adhesion is solid. Spray guns, voltage, air pressure, flow rate, and gun distance. These 4 parameters work together. Use test pieces to find the sweet spot. Curing oven. The thermometer might say you're at temp, but the part may not be. Use a temperature profiler to track actual part temperatures in every zone. Conveyor system. Make sure line speed syncs with oven dwell time and booth operation. Run mechanical and electrical integration tests in parallel. Bottom line, if problems show up during trial runs, you're lucky. If they show up after production starts, that's loss. What trial running headaches did you run into with your new line? Drop a comment. Let's hear it.
ZhYao. Together, we color the world.